A new law will begin targeting rogue tow truck companies in Illinois starting January 1st. You've likely heard victim stories before. After an accident, a tow truck shows up but then holds the car hostage, charging the driver exorbitant fees. Our Sabrina Franza has been reporting on this issue for years. Sabrina, this could finally mean some relief.
It really could. And like you said, after years of reporting on this, finally some change. We hope so. Today we met a victim of this practice. He contacted us after seeing a comment that I actually left on a Reddit thread years ago talking about this same issue. Had this law been in place before, he says his car might not have been taken.
For sure.
Tommy Caruso moved to Chicago about a month ago. He called this experience Chicago baptism by fire.
I definitely did not foresee my car disappearing so quickly.
After getting into an accident, he says Hook and Go Towing showed up within minutes.
Gave me a paper that had the official Illinois State of Commerce logo, and I was like, yeah, that would be a stretch to fabricate.
His receipt appears to show a $9,300 charge to tow and store his Prius. He says he couldn't find his car or reach the company. Days went by. The address on the receipt
Honestly just seemed kind of like a bogus, like in the middle of the road address.
We drove by too, didn't see any signage for that company. When we started digging, though, we found multiple registered names for Hook and Go Towing. Searching Illinois Secretary of State license records, that name reveals companies Hook and Go Towing, Rusi Trans One Inc., and most recently, Tow Wings Inc. All have the same owner. A new law which kicks in January 1st hopes to stop tow companies from rebranding if they're proven to have rogue business practices. It plans to target towing companies that ignore fines and just rebrand under a new name. Known violators will no longer be allowed to register again with a new business name, and rogue tow operators will be banned from receiving a new license for 3 years. The new rule could provide welcome relief. News the dozens of people CBS News Chicago has interviewed about this practice are likely happy to hear.
There's already so much to fear when driving on the road and in an accident, and the fact that you might also have to watch out for people trying to hustle you when you're already down a broken leg or something is like, shouldn't be a concern on anybody's mind.
Well, the insurance company in this case ultimately paid the bill, though the car was a total loss. The victim was provided multiple phone numbers while he was trying to retrieve his car. We called all of them, and no one wanted to comment, Erica.
All right. Well, thank you for staying on top of this years afterwards.
Yep.
All right. Thank you, Sabrina.